Hi, it's Dale again. In this short video, we're going to look at accessibility in Microsoft Office and Windows 10. Now, many of you will be familiar with this format of chart using conditional formatting, but did you know worldwide there are over 300 million people that are actually colorblind? You can check for issues in Office, just go check for issues, check accessibility. And as you can see in this one, it highlights the fact that some content may be difficult for people with visual disabilities to read. Now we can fix this in Windows 10. We can go to settings and search for color filters. What this does is this will affect and filter everything that's running in Windows 10, including Office documents. So we have a number of options. We can have it inverted, all the colors. We can have it grayscale, or we can even have grayscale inverted. Now, there are 3 specific filters for people with different types of color blindness. Now, if you use these and accessibility checker in Office and Windows 10, you can make your documents accessible to more people.